Hi, this is Lakshmi Shivani, studying second year MC College of Engineering and Technology. Actually, we were asked to do internship after our second year. So, I was searching for various of options, but I felt like if I do internship in this ZP company, I would really benefit from it. So I had actual various of options website developing, UI UX, and cybersecurity. But I thought because I'm from cybersecurity branch, I want to learn something out of it. So I chose UI UX, and from I was lucky that my mentor happened to be my classmate Pragdish Gurumurthy, who happens to be also the co-founder of ZP. He taught me UI UX design so well that yesterday my cousin, he's studying in Deva University, I helped him all about plugins and everything. I helped him do an app. So from not even knowing what is UI UX, I happened to be helping someone else in that perspective. So I think I've learned very much, and all thanks to Pragdish Gurumurthy. He was such a great mentor, and I just can't explain in words how much I have learned from it. So thank you so much, Pragdish, and thank you so much, Zeppi.